Twist a 5-finger-wide single bubble. Make a bear ear knot. Twist an 8-finger-wide single bubble. Twist a single 8-finger bubble with a green balloon. Wrap it together with the purple balloon. Wrap the ball nozzle around the bear ear knots. Twist an 8-finger-wide single bubble with a blue balloon. Wrap it with 2 other balloons. Wrap the ball nozzle around the bear ear knots. Twist an 8-finger-wide single bubble with a green balloon. Make another bear ear knot. Twist another 5-finger-wide single bubble. Wrap it around the bear ear knots of the blue balloon. Deflate the excess parts. By analogy, the following steps are all the same. Finally, wrap the nozzle of the first green balloon round the bearing ear twist of the last blue balloon. Make a bear ear knot. Make a 5-finger-wide ring bubble. Twist a bear ear knot at the end of the balloon. Deflate the excess part and tie a knot. Be sure to tie a knot or else the bear ear knot will pop open. Assemble them together.